So yeah, as my little 190E decided to have the right rear window stopped working. A bit of look at this. These wires are broken inside of the loom, and it's because the door keeps on opening and closing. Unfortunately, those things do that. Anyway, but all I did is I simply pulled the loom out of there, pulled it back, pulled the rubber back, cut a bit of the sleeving off, and there you go. 2 broken wires, and I'm pretty sure that this green one here, if I give it a bit of a tug, is broken as well. So there you go. How's that? I think I'll probably fix this one as well. And yeah, the only other thing I had to do here is remove the door card on the inside. Just take the door trim off, so we can have the switch pull right back, and then can fix it. There you can see I've fixed the 3 wires. I left this one alone. It would appear to be right. There doesn't feel like there's any breaks in there, so I'll leave this one. So yeah, there we go. I'm going to put it all back together, and I'll show you how I tested it in the first place. So if you have this problem, you'll know how to go about looking at it. Right, so how did I go about testing it? Well, quite simply, I got myself one of these. Basic little test light, nothing flash about it. I grab this lead here, and what we'll do is we'll make sure we attach it to the brown wire on the switch lock here. So we'll just attach it there. There you go. See, I've got it in there. And look at that, it's on the brown wire. So the next thing I'm going to do from this end here, I'll try and hold this so you guys can see it. Is I'm going to test this blue and white wire and that green and red wire. And in theory, when we pop this in there, see the little test light lights up, and this will be the other one, lights up, and that basically tells you that it's getting power from the front switch. That one there is for the interior, as for the illumination lights in the back of it. This one here. So we're not too worried about that one. We're really only concerned does that one light up, and that being the blue white wire and the green red wire. And with that all working, if we find the switch here, I'll just pop the switch in for you. There you go, there's switches in there, and now if I hit the switch, there you go, the window now works again. Now this one was a bit temperamental at the beginning, that it actually would work when the door was shut, and then not work when the door's open, so I had something up with it some time ago. The other problem this one's got is this here is broken, so I'm going to pull that out quickly and sort that out, so when I shut the window, it will go all the way to the top again. So I've had to remove the window winder, and yeah, well, here she is. It's on the bench there, and as you can see, this thing here has come loose up there, and there's meant to be a little piece of plastic that holds it back down here. So not quite sure what we're going to do here yet, but I guess I'll make a plan, you know, and see what we can do about repairing it, and hopefully it should be all good again. So what I've done here is I've used the soldering iron on a bit of plastic and pretty much just melted it all on there, and I'm pretty sure it'll hold. I mean, it shouldn't take that much load, but just to be sure of it, what I'll do is I'll mix up some plastic steel glue, and I'll put that over that, and just to make sure that it holds. So there we go. I've glued it all on there. I think it looks pretty good. But anyway, just so you guys know, this is pretty much the stuff I used. Bradley steel. Tell you what, man, this stuff is probably the best glue I've ever come across. I've done some pretty scary repairs with that stuff, and it's always worked. So for those of you, I would definitely recommend that. And there we are. So I'll let that glue settle overnight, and tomorrow I'll pop it back in the vehicle and we'll see what it goes like.